Hi, welcome back to the 60-second series, and in this session I am taking a CAT 2020 slot 1 question. The question says how many 3-digit numbers are there for which the product of their digits is more than 2 but less than 7. So it's a 60-second solution because the only thought you have to do in this question is that since the product, two things, 3-digit number, product more than 2 less than 7, which means that the product is 3, 4, 5 or 6. And since it's a 3-digit number, I can make a 3-digit number with a product of 3 using 311, a product of 4 using 411, product of 5 using 511, product of 6 using 611, and each of these will have three instances. So that makes it 12. And then apart from this, what I have to think is that I can also make a product of 4 using 3 digits as 2, 2, 1, and 2 to 1 I can make 3 numbers, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2 and 2, 2 to 1. So that's 3 more numbers here. 5 and 3 will have no other patterns, but for 6 I can also make 6 using the digits 1, 2, 3. So if I have a 3-digit number comprised of the digits 1, 2, 3, the product of the digits will be 6. And 1, 2, 3 ke saath obviously I can make 3 factorial or 6 numbers. So the net answer is 12 plus 3, 15 plus 6 for that 1, 2, 3 and its arrangements. So the correct answer is 21, and that's it.